Hello, dear students. I am Ankit Sultania. Today, I am going to explain you the new chapter that belongs to class ninth of Unit 3rd, Part B, as you can see on the screen, that is digital documentation. In this chapter, I will discuss you all about the importance of digital documentation and creating documents using word processor. First of all, let's discuss about document. What is a document? A document is a paper that has written content. And what is a documentation? The process of making such a document is known as documentation. Now the matter is that why do we create a document? What's the reason behind creating a document? We just create a document so that the content would survive for a longer period as evidences. Suppose that if we have to create a letter by typing text, we have to prepare thesis, legal scripts, reports, articles, or we have to create any notes and many more. For all these purposes, we can create a document using any word processing software. Okay. If we talk about early times, we used handwritten documents, and that is often temporary. If we create a handwritten documents, there may be chances of mistakes, and if we made any mistake, then we cannot improve it, we cannot rectify it. We have to create another document again, the same document. First of all, handwritten document were used, then the place taken by manual typewriter, then electronic typewriter came, and nowadays we are using computers for creating a document using word processing softwares. As typewriter came, we started creating a document using typewriters, and at the time of using typewriter 2, if we made any mistake, we cannot rectify it, we cannot correct it, we have to overwrite on it, otherwise we have to create other document. Later, computers are started and computers are being used to create a document using different softwares. The software that we use to create a document is called word processing software. Actually, a handwritten document was often temporary. So, in order to resolve this issue, advanced computers with latest software and hardware technologies are being used. And the software that we use to create a document by typing text on it with the help of keyboard, that type of software is known as word processor or word processing software. Again, I am talking that what is word processing software? A word processing software is a software package which is used to create a document by typing text on it with the help of computer and keyboard. That type of software is called word processing software. अगर हम लोगों को जो प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है, एक ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट मिलता है और जहाँ पर हम लोग टाइप करके डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं, टेक्स्ट टाइप करके कीबोर्ड के हेल्प से, इस टाइप के वर्क को करने के लिए जिस सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज करते हैं, दैट टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इज कॉल्ड वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर और वर्ड प्रोसेसर. Here I am talking about digital documentation. Actually, we create a document using word processor digitally with the help of computer. So then These created document are called digital document, and the process of creating such type of document using computers digitally can be referred to as digital documentation. Got it? Now, first of all, I'm talking about the earlier word processor, which was taken place by in place of typewriter. The earlier word processor that taken place of a typewriter was word star, and word star was considered to be the most widely used software for word processing. WordStar was invented by IBM in the late 1960s, and it was recognized by a buzzword by the New York Times in 1971. It is a computer application which produces printable material, and it was widely used software. It quickly replaced typewriters, and people used quickly to follow the change as there were numerous amounts of limitations to use a typewriter. And in the present day, many different word processors are being used. First of all, WordStar was being used. Thereafter, many different word processors are being used. Some examples of word processing software that can be used to create a document are Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, Google Docs, OpenOffice Writer, and many more. All such softwares which provide us a platform where we can type text and create any document. All those type of softwares can be referred to as word processors or word processing softwares. All these word processors use GUI, that is graphical user interface, and this new technology allows us to add special effects on the text. This means it supported WYSIWYG, means what you see is what you get editing. Actually, as we create a document using any word processing software on our computer, the contents that we are able to see on the screen, and as we get print out of that particular document, that will be exactly same that we see on the document on our computer screen. There are multiple advantages of word processing software, which provides us a basic facility to enter and improve the content, and also permits to apply the text manipulation function that enables the document in a better way. Some of the features of popular word processors are given on the screen. As you can see, in many word processors, we can combine two or more documents together. We can create, edit, restore, revive, and print a document. We can also move a text from one document to another by selecting it. And suppose that if we have created a document, and after creation of the document, we can also change the font size, font style of a text in a document. The paragraph and pages of the document can be formatted by making changes in the document, so that its appearance can be made attractive. We can also move the text from one place to another in the same document. There in many word processing softwares, there is also a feature to check spelling and grammatical mistake. We can also improve it without any help. We can also create tables in a word. processing software also make changes in a word processing software in the table. We can also insert pictures, graphs, we can create mail merge, and many more things can be done using any word processing software. Many different institutions use different word processors to perform documentation work in their institution, such as schools, government offices, private sectors, and many more places uses many different word processing softwares to perform documentation work, as these software provide various facility, as we can also create a document and we can also format the document to make it attractive. After creation of the document we can also make changes and rectify the mistakes and make improvement in our document so that it should look attractive. There are many different word processors, as I discussed already. There are many different companies which provides different software packages for official use. Just take an example. There is a company, Microsoft Corporation, which provides an office suite named MS Office. As we can say, Microsoft Office. An office suite is a collection of various different types of programs that can be used to prepare spreadsheets, presentations, database management, and many more. MS Office means Microsoft Office, usually goes by the name Microsoft Office. It is collectively name given to Microsoft's group of home and business productivity software. The MS Office suite constitutes of six different programs, namely MS Word, which is used for word that is used to create documents, MS Excel, that is a spreadsheet software which is used to prepare spreadsheets, graphical representation of data using charts and graphs, and many more. MS PowerPoint, which is used to create presentations using different slides, animated slides. MS Outlook, which is used to manage calendar and emails. MS Access, which is used for DBMS activities, database management system. MS OneNote, which is used for preparing and managing notes. Not only MS Office, other than this also there are many different companies which provides their different software packages for performing official activities, as MS Office has MS Word for word processing software. In the same way, there is also another package named Open Office, which has Open Office Writer as word processing software. Google Docs, provided by Google, which is a word processing software which works online. And there are also many different packages, software packages, which provide same type of software but on different platform. Almost all over the activities, way of doing activities are almost same, but made by different companies. In this chapter we will talk about and we will work on MS Word. So I am just talking about MS Office and MS Word in detail. Okay, actually MS Office does not fall under the category of FOSS. FOSS stands for free and open source software, the software which is available free of cost and it can be easily downloaded with on the internet from its authenticate platform. That type of software can be referred to as FOSS, free and open source software. But MS Office does not falls under FOSS category. It can be purchased either or monthly or permanent basis. MS Office is sold by the name Office 365, which is cloud based system. We can purchase this software and install in our computer system and use it and feel its features to work and create a document very smoothly and efficient manner. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन के बारे में, जो कि आप लोग स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. थैंक्स.